In the vast, untamed corners of our planet, life unfolds in a constant, thrilling drama. For every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest whale, existence is a daily challenge. This is the great game of survival. Animals must find food to fuel their bodies. They must avoid becoming food for others. They need shelter from the elements and a chance to raise their young. This relentless pursuit of life has shaped every living thing. It has driven the evolution of incredible abilities and fascinating behaviors. It is a world of beauty, but also of stark reality, where every day is a test. We're going to explore this world of survival. We will look closely at two extraordinary groups of animals, reptiles and mammals. These creatures, though very different, share the same fundamental drive to live. Reptiles, ancient and often cold-blooded, have developed remarkable ways to thrive in diverse environments. Mammals, warm-blooded and often highly active, employ their own unique sets of skills. Understanding their methods gives us a glimpse into the intricate workings of nature. It reveals the sheer ingenuity that life possesses. The strategies they use are a testament to millions of years of adaptation and refinement. Conflict is an inevitable part of this quest for survival. Resources like food, water, and safe places to live are often limited. This scarcity means that animals must compete. Sometimes this competition is subtle, a race to find the best feeding spot. Other times it leads to direct confrontations, dramatic battles for dominance or a vital meal. These encounters are not born out of malice. They are driven by the fundamental need to endure, to pass on their genes to the next generation. These moments of conflict are raw, powerful, and utterly natural, showcasing the true grit of wildlife. So let us journey into this world. Let us observe these amazing animals and their incredible survival tactics. We will see how different life forms have found different answers to the same essential questions. How to find nourishment, how to protect oneself, how to ensure the future of one's kind. The answers are as varied and as wonderful as life itself. It is a story of resilience, of adaptation, and of the enduring power of nature's designs. Prepare to witness the daily struggles and triumphs that define life in the wild, a spectacle of ongoing creation. Reptiles are truly ancient marvels of the natural world. Many of them are cold-blooded or ectothermic. This means they do not produce their own body heat like mammals do. Instead, they rely on the environment, basking in the sun to warm up or seeking shade to cool down. This might seem like a disadvantage, but it also means they need far less food than a warm-blooded animal of similar size. They are masters of conserving energy, waiting patiently for the right moment to act. This careful management of energy is a cornerstone of their survival, allowing them to thrive where others might struggle. One of the most remarkable reptilian survival tactics is their use of camouflage and stealth. Countless species have evolved skin patterns and colors that allow them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. A chameleon can change its color to match a leaf or a branch, becoming virtually invisible to predators and unsuspecting prey alike. Many snakes, like the gaboon viper with its intricate leaf-like patterns, lie in wait on the forest floor, perfectly concealed. This art of disappearing is a silent, deadly advantage. It is a key to their success as both hunters and as potential prey, trying to avoid detection. When stealth is not enough, reptiles deploy an impressive array of defensive mechanisms. The sturdy shell of a tortoise or a turtle provides an almost impenetrable fortress against many attackers. Crocodiles and alligators are covered in tough, bony plates called scutes, forming a natural suit of armor. Some lizards, when caught by a predator, can shed their tails, which continue to wriggle and distract the attacker, allowing the lizard to escape. And of course, many snakes possess venom, a potent chemical weapon used both to subdue prey and as a formidable deterrent to anything that might threaten them. And these are ancient defenses, honed over eons. Consider the Nile crocodile, a magnificent example of reptilian resilience. It can lie submerged and motionless in the water for hours, only its eyes and nostrils visible above the surface. It waits with incredible patience for prey, perhaps a herd of wildebeest crossing a river during their great migration. When an unsuspecting animal comes within range, the crocodile explodes from the water with terrifying speed and power. Its immense jaws, filled with sharp teeth, clamp down with incredible force. This is a creature that has changed little in millions of years, a testament to the effectiveness of its ancient survival blueprint. Its existence speaks volumes about enduring power. Mammals, our fellow warm-blooded creatures, approach the challenge of survival with a different set of tools and strategies. Being endothermic or warm-blooded means they generate their own internal heat. This allows them to remain active in a wide range of temperatures, from icy Arctic regions to scorching deserts. However, this internal furnace requires a constant supply of fuel. Mammals generally need to eat much more frequently than reptiles of comparable size. This high energy demand is a powerful driving force behind their behavior, pushing them to hunt, forage, and compete relentlessly for resources needed to sustain their active lifestyles. Mammalian carnivores, the meat-eaters, have developed sophisticated hunting strategies. Many, like lions, are social hunters, working together in prides to stalk and bring down prey that would be too formidable for a single individual. Wolves, too, hunt in packs, using teamwork, endurance, and complex communication to outwit and exhaust their quarry. Others, like the solitary tiger or leopard, rely on incredible stealth, patience, and a sudden burst of power to ambush their victims. These hunting techniques are often not just instinctual, they are learned behaviors passed down from mother to her cubs, refined over generations of experience. Beyond clever strategies, mammals possess a range of formidable physical advantages. The cheetah, built for speed, is the fastest land animal on Earth, capable of breathtaking sprints to catch swift gazelles. Bears possess immense strength and powerful claws, useful for fishing, digging, or defending themselves. The sharp teeth and claws of most carnivores are perfectly adapted for tearing flesh. Furthermore, mammals often have highly developed senses. Keen eyesight, an acute sense of smell, and sharp hearing are vital tools for detecting prey, sensing danger, and navigating their complex environments, contributing significantly to their hunting success. Let us look at a pride of African lions, often called the kings of the savannah. Their cooperative hunts are a marvel of coordination and power. The lionesses usually do most of the hunting. They might spread out, some acting as drivers to flush out prey while others lie in ambush. They target a specific animal, perhaps an old or young buffalo or a zebra slightly separated from its herd. With a combination of stealthy approach and explosive chase, they work to isolate and overwhelm their chosen target. This teamwork showcases not only their physical might, but also their social intelligence and adaptability in the face of challenging hunts. The wild is often a stage for dramatic encounters, true wildlife showdowns where different evolutionary paths collide. Sometimes these confrontations involve reptiles and mammals directly. A classic example is the tense battle between a mongoose and a venomous cobra. The mongoose, quick and agile with a degree of resistance to cobra venom, darts in and out, trying to land a fatal bite on the snake's head. The cobra, in turn, rears up, spreads its hood, and strikes with lightning speed. Another such duel might involve a powerful jaguar, a mammal tackling a caiman, a reptile in the waterways of the Amazon. These are not just fights, they are tests of ancient strategies. The stakes in these conflicts are incredibly high. It is rarely just about a single meal, though that is often the immediate trigger. For a predator, a successful hunt means survival for itself and perhaps its offspring. For the prey, escaping an attack means another chance at life, another opportunity to reproduce. These battles can also be about territory, a vital resource that provides food, water, and shelter. Dominance in a territory ensures access to these necessities. Protecting young from predators is another powerful motivator for intense defensive actions. Every encounter, every struggle is a critical moment in the ongoing story of life and death. These interactions, these fights for survival, are not chaotic or meaningless. They play a crucial role in shaping entire ecosystems. Predators, like the lions or the crocodiles we have discussed, help to control the populations of their prey species. This prevents overgrazing and ensures that only the fittest individuals survive to reproduce, strengthening the gene pool of the prey. Competition between different species, or even within the same species, drives adaptation and innovation. It encourages the development of new skills, new defenses, and new ways of exploiting resources. The intricate balance of nature is maintained through these constant dynamic struggles. Understanding these survival dynamics is more than just an interesting scientific pursuit. It allows us to appreciate the profound complexity and interconnectedness of the natural world. We see that every creature has its place, its role to play in the grand theatre of life. It also underscores the urgent need for conservation. Human activities are increasingly impacting these wild spaces and the animals that inhabit them. By learning about their struggles and their incredible adaptations, we can better understand how to protect these magnificent species and the ancient, delicate balance they represent, ensuring they continue to inspire awe for generations to come.